Good evening. Welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about the TV or televisions. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. After that, you will describe the TV for 1 or 2 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Do you have a TV at home?
Yes, I have TV in the living room.
How often do you watch TV?
I usually watching TV almost every day, usually in the evening.
What kind of program do you like watching on TV?
I like watching movie and cooking show.
What time do you usually watch TV?
I usually watch TV after dinner around 7 or 8 p.m.
Do you watch TV alone or with your friends?
I often watch TV in the evening with my family.
What is your favorite TV channel or show?
My favorite TV show is a comedy program called Mr. Bean.
Do you think watching TV is good or bad? Why?
Watching TV can be good if we don't watch so much. The TV helps us relax and learn.
What do you learn from watching TV?
I learn English, word new, and cooking tips from watching TV.
How has TV changed in the past 10 years?
In the past, TV were big and heavy. Now they are smart and flat, connect to internet.
What are some difference between TV and the internet?
TV is more from watching, but let I search it and interact more.
Now please speak for 1 or 2 minutes about this. Describe a TV, how you use it, and why it is important or fun in your daily life. You can talk about what a TV looks like, where it is placed in your home, what program you like, how it helps you relax or learn, why you enjoy using it. Take a few seconds to think. You may begin when you are ready.
The TV or television is a screen that shows picture and sound. My TV is black and flat. I use it to watch new movie and learn an English lesson. I usually watch it in the evening with my family. My favorite TV show is a comedy because it makes me laugh and feel happy. Sometimes I watch cooking to learn new recipes. The TV helped me after school and almost helped me learn English. I think the TV important part of my daily life, but I try not watch it so much.
Thank you very much. That is the end of your speaking test. Well done. Keep practicing your English and see you next time.